Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use FluentBooking, the free plugin that makes scheduling appointments, managing events, and handling availability super easy. FluentBooking is the ultimate free WordPress plugin for scheduling appointments, managing events, and handling bookings, all in one place. Whether you're a business owner, educator, fitness trainer, or consultant, this all-in-one solution helps you simplify your workflow and save time. From one-on-one meetings to group sessions, FluentBooking lets you set your availability, connect with calendar apps, and accept payments effortlessly. With automated reminders, real-time updates, and seamless integrations, you'll never miss a booking again. Customize your booking forms, manage your team's schedule, and track everything from one dashboard. FluentBooking makes appointment management smarter, faster, and easier than ever. Let's explore how it transforms your booking experience step by step. Let's go